Hey everyone, on this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create an access system like this one in CATIA. But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to Start, then Mechanical Design, then Part Design, then you click on OK. You will get something like this. You don't have an access system here. So the first thing that you need to do here is to go to Tools, then you go to Options, then you go to Infrastructure, then you click on Part Infrastructure, then you go to Part Document. Then you click on this option, create an access system, then you click on OK. You close this window, you come back to Start, Mechanical Design, then Part Design, then you click on OK again. Then as you can see here, this is how you can create an access system in CATIA. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer channel. Thanks for watching.